Did you know that your eyes can process 36,000 bits of information every hour? That's more than any supercomputer in the world. Our eyes are amazing organs that allow us to see the beauty of the world, to communicate, to learn, and to enjoy life. But they are also exposed to many harmful factors, such as pollution, blue light, UV rays, stress, aging, and diseases. These can damage our eyes and affect our vision quality over time. But what if we told you that there are special herbs that can protect your eyes and repair your vision naturally? These herbs have been used for centuries by different cultures and traditions to heal eye problems and enhance vision. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other beneficial compounds that can nourish your eyes and prevent or reverse eye damage. In this video, we will reveal the best 8 herbs to protect your eyes and repair your vision, and how to use them in simple and effective ways. You will be amazed by the results and the benefits that these herbs can bring to your eye health and your overall well-being. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest and most powerful herbs for your eyes. In fact, it has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine to treat various eye conditions such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts. But how does it work? Well, ginkgo biloba improves blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your eyes and brain. This means that more oxygen and nutrients can reach your retina and optic nerve, which are essential for good vision. One of the most exciting studies about ginkgo biloba is a study done in 2003. In this study, researchers found that low-pressure glaucoma patients who took 120 milligrams of ginkgo biloba extract daily for 4 weeks had improved visual field loss by about 30%. This means that they could see better after just 4 weeks. So how can you use ginkgo biloba for your eye health? Well, you can take it as a supplement in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. The recommended dosage is 120 to 240 milligrams per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses. You can also drink ginkgo biloba tea. Here's how you can make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pot or kettle. Add 2 teaspoons of dried ginkgo biloba leaves to a tea infuser, strainer, or filter. Now, place the infuser in a mug and pour the boiling water over it. Let the tea steep for 10 to 15 minutes, or longer if you want a stronger flavor. Then, remove the infuser and enjoy your ginkgo biloba tea. Just make sure you buy a standardized ginkgo biloba extract that contains at least 24% flavonoids and 6% terpenoids, which are the active ingredients. So try it today and see the difference for yourself. Number 2. Bilberry. Bilberry is a small, dark blueberry that looks like a blueberry. It's technically a fruit, but it has some amazing benefits for your eyes and vision, so we had to include it in this list. Bilberry contains powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, such as UV rays, pollution, and blue light. These antioxidants also help strengthen the blood vessels and capillaries in your eyes, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your retina. This can enhance your visual acuity, contrast sensitivity, and night vision. In fact, in a recent study done in 2019, researchers found that participants who took 160 milligrams of bilberry extract daily for 12 weeks had reduced eye fatigue and dryness caused by computer use by about 30%. This means that they felt more comfortable and refreshed after using their eyes for long periods of time. Another study done in 2018 showed that participants who took 480 milligrams of bilberry extract daily for 8 weeks had reduced intraocular pressure, which is a risk factor for glaucoma. So how can you use bilberry for your eye health? Well, you can eat fresh or dried bilberries or drink bilberry juice or tea. You can also take bilberry supplements in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. The recommended dosage is 80 to 160 milligrams twice a day with meals. Make sure you choose a high-quality bilberry extract that contains at least 25% anthocyanins. So give it a try and see the wonders that bilberry can do for your eyes. Number 3. Saffron. Saffron is a precious, expensive spice that comes from the dried stigmas of the crocus flower. It has a vibrant color, a rich aroma, and a distinct flavor that can enhance any dish. But it also contains some powerful antioxidants such as crocin, quercetin, and safranal, which has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. which can help prevent or slow down the progression of macular degeneration, a common eye condition that affects the central vision and can lead to blindness. In a recent study done in 2019, researchers found that a daily dose of 20 to 50 milligrams of saffron significantly improved visual acuity for macular degeneration patients over a 3-month period, and that the improvement was maintained for up to 12 months. The study also suggested that saffron has a protective effect on the retina, which is the layer of tissue at the back of the eye that converts light into signals for the brain. To get these benefits, you can add saffron to your food, such as rice, pasta, soup, or stew. You can also make saffron tea by steeping a few strands of saffron in hot water for 10 minutes. You can also take saffron supplements in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. The recommended dosage is 15 to 50 milligrams per day with meals. Make sure you choose a high-quality saffron product that contains at least 2% crocin. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Eyebright. Eyebright is a tiny herb with white or purple flowers that resemble eyes. That's why it has that name. It has been used for centuries to treat various eye problems, such as inflammation, irritation, infection, and allergies. So how does it work? Well, eyebright contains some powerful plant compounds, such as flavonoids and iridoids, that have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. These compounds can help reduce swelling, redness, itching, and pain in your eyes, as well as fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause infections. They can also protect your eyes from sun damage and oxidative stress, which can lead to vision loss and eye diseases. For example, in a recent study done in 2023, researchers found that eyebright eye drops reduced the symptoms of eye discharge in infants by more than 50%. In another study done in 2022, researchers found that eyebright eye drops cured or improved conjunctivitis, or pink eye, in more than 85% of the patients. So how can you use eyebright to boost your eye health? Well, you can make a tea with eyebright herb and use it as a cool compress on your eyes. You can also buy eyebright eye drops or supplements from reputable sources and follow the dosage instructions, or you can simply add eyebright to your diet, as it is edible and has a mild, pleasant taste. Number 5. Turmeric. You probably know turmeric as the yellow spice that gives curry its color and flavor. It contains a compound called curcumin, which can prevent the formation of free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage the cells and tissues of your eyes. Curcumin can also inhibit the production of prostaglandins, which are chemicals that cause inflammation and pain in your eyes. For example, in a recent study published in the journal Scientific Reports, researchers found that curcumin eye drops could prevent retinal ganglion cell loss, which is a major cause of vision loss in glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. The eye drops increased the survival rate of these cells by 80% compared to the control group. Another study by Harvard showed that turmeric could also help with dry eye disease by preventing the production of inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that trigger inflammation and dryness in the eyes. To get these benefits, you can add turmeric to your soups, stews, rice dishes, or even your coffee or tea. You can also make golden milk, which is a delicious drink made with turmeric, milk, black pepper, cinnamon, and honey. Just heat up the ingredients in a saucepan and enjoy. You can also take turmeric supplements, but make sure to consult your doctor before doing so. Number 6. Coleus. Coleus is a type of herb that grows in tropical regions of Asia. It has colorful leaves that make it a popular ornamental plant. It contains a compound called forskolin, which can lower the pressure inside your eyes by relaxing the muscles that control the flow of fluid. This can prevent the damage to the optic nerve that causes glaucoma, a condition that can lead to blindness if left untreated. Forskolin can also improve the blood circulation in the eyes, which can nourish the tissues and prevent the clouding of the lens that causes cataracts. To get these benefits, you can take Coleus supplements that contain forskolin, or you can use eye drops that contain Coleus extract. You can also brew Coleus tea and drink it regularly, or you can apply Coleus oil to your temples and massage them gently. Number 7. Camellia sinensis. Green tea comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, which is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins. Catechins, such as epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, are the most potent and abundant antioxidants in green tea. They can help prevent and treat various eye diseases by reducing inflammation, protecting the retina, and improving blood flow to the eyes. In a recent study done in 2020, researchers found that participants who drank 2 cups of green tea daily for 12 weeks had improved visual acuity by 10%, contrast sensitivity by 15%, and eye pressure by about 20%. Another study done in 2019 showed that green tea extract eye drops could significantly reduce dry eye symptoms by 30% and improve tear production by about 40%. There are many ways to enjoy this amazing herb. You can drink it as a hot or cold beverage, add some honey or lemon for extra flavor, or even make your own green tea ice cream. You can also apply green tea bags or eye pads to your eyes for a soothing and refreshing effect. Just make sure to use organic and high-quality green tea for the best results. Number 8. Fennel. Fennel contains a lot of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, quercetin, rutin, and luteolin, that can fight free radicals and protect your eyes from oxidative stress and damage. Oxidative stress is one of the main causes of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is the leading cause of blindness in older adults. By consuming fennel regularly, you can prevent or slow down the progression of AMD and preserve your vision. In a study published in 2013, researchers found that fennel extract reduced the severity of cataracts in diabetic rats by about 40%. Another study showed that fennel oil had an anti-cataract effect by inhibiting the formation of sugar molecules that can impair the lens function. There are several ways to enjoy fennel and reap its benefits. You can add fresh or dried fennel seeds to your salads, soups, stews, or curries, or you can chew on them after meals to aid digestion and freshen your breath. You can also brew fennel tea and drink it throughout the day, and you can also take fennel supplements. So there you have it, the best 8 herbs to protect your eyes and repair your vision. These are natural and safe ways to improve your eye health and prevent or treat common eye diseases. You can easily find these herbs in your local health store or online. However, before you start using any of these herbs, make sure to consult your doctor, especially if you have any medical conditions or allergies, or if you are taking any medications. Your eyes are precious and deserve the best care possible, so don't neglect them and give them the attention they need. Now, we want to hear from you. Did you try some of these herbs before? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.